Hello guys, my name is Thomas in here, back with another video. Good afternoon, happy early Easter. Today we're going to be working on a time capsule by Apple, and we're going to replace the hard drive in it. It's a Western Digital. It's a 7200 RPM, SATA 2, 12 terabyte drive. This is had the Apple logo put on there. This is a good one, good drive. So without further ado, let's get started here. Well, a quick shout out to Maximo Aquino. He's the best person out there. He's a photographer and a singer. He does singing for a living, and he takes a bunch of good pictures of life out there. Go follow his new Instagram, Let's Talk Movies 101, and go follow his Instagram at Aquino Images, and he may give you a follow back. And please download Smeel. I'll put a link in the description for Smeel. So without further ado, let's get started with the time capsule. Like my new California backpack, it's brand new. So without further ado, we're going to take out the couple screws here. 1, 2. We're gonna take out 10 screws. They're all Phillips. They're all Phillips screws. So let's get started. We're gonna take out 10 screws here for the hard drive. These are a couple screws right here. I turned on my light for better brightness. I have a brand new light. It's one of movie photographer lights. So y'all should be y'all should get one too. A link will be in the description for that one as well. Whoops! I forgot one Phillips screw. I forgot one Phillips screw right now. There's 4 more Phillips screws left. And these 4 right here are for the hard drive. And then the rest of the 4 screws are for the hard drive. This is the Apple time capsule. This is a 12 TB custom, and it's A1378.
What did you say?
The hard drive in it failed a couple days last night. Now I'm going to replace it. Sorry about the background. The dog is barking outside. So be.
Thomas, let the dogs in, please.
Not right now, Jenny. Not right now. I'm working on a video.
For a while.
I'm doing
Our
a.
dog's gotta be out there for a while. It's alright.
So
He'll live.
without further ado, let's get open. Everybody stay quiet. I'm working on a video. I'm working on a YouTube video right now, so everybody stay quiet. Technology's coming alive. There's a fan ribbon cable, which I will disconnect here with a pair of tweezers.
It's nice out there for the dogs to be out there for a while.
There's a pair of tweezers right here. I'm going to take a pair of tweezers and lift the connector up.
I'll be right back real quick.
Kevin,
What, Thomas?
bro, here's a drink.
What drink? Thank you.
Give me a second, y'all. Sorry about that, y'all.
I'm back.
Blurred out the name. And oop, my camera.
I don't know how to get back to
It's kind of acting up right now, so I'm going to try to disconnect the connector. Boom. Took it out. There's the fan. We're going to take out this tape here. I had to put a tape to it because this thing kept flying off. And take out the SATA connector, the data and power.
I don't have enough room to place out of bed. There we go.
Take out the 4 standoff screws for the hard drive.
I'm sleeping. It's nighttime out there. down. There you go.
The power supply is off right now. I gotta plug it in a minute. I gotta look for the power supply for the hard drive connector. So the hard drive is now removed. It's a Seagate. Oh, it's a 500 gig, I guess. Damn. Found out it's a 500 gig. Huh. But here's a brand new 12 terabyte Western Digital. It's a Caviar SE. So brand new hard drive coming in. You gotta be careful with this connector, so I'm gonna plug them in. Sorry about the camera, guys. I'm trying to plug in the data connector real quick. Boom. The brand new data cable connector is plugged in.
So plus 15. Alright, I'm ready to teleport.
And there's the data connector.
Yeah.
Boom. And now we're going to put back in our 4 standoff screws.
You got what's
I'm going to put a pair of tweezers to it.
Yeah, plus all 10 15s, and that will be your answer.
Okay. Shoot, guys, my freaking screwdriver failed. Give me a second here. I'm trying to put in the 4 standoff screws.
This is both of yours.
Shit.
Okay, I got
Man, I need
one
to buy
more
that
now.
too.
Okay.
Yeah, you're 4.
It's alright, guys. The power supply hasn't been plugged in for more than 24 hours now because the hard drive failed. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm putting the hard drive connector back in the screws. The standoff screws are Phillips 00, and I'm using a pair of tweezers for safety.
Did my Mac burn?
Okay, and now the hard drive is in like phlegm. Put in back in our cover here for the ribbon cable.
I'm sad. I didn't know I brought it with me. Yeah, that's the thing. I didn't know until you told me. You have to make me a new one now. It says on your property.
Okay, now I'm gonna put back in our little connector.
No. What? You see me done with all?
This is gonna be a little tricky because I gotta flip it to the side here. Wow. I'm gonna apply the tweezers. So I'm gonna put the phone like this for a minute while I slide the connector back in. This is a Molex connector, a small Molex 4 connector. These are known as a Molex, and this is the Apple board. It's like an airport extreme with a time capsule hard drive with a hard drive in it, a hard disk of a SATA 2, but this one's a SATA 3. And these things are a little tricky to put in a connector.
Who wants to pass out the math test? Raise your hand.
Nope, I can't even plug it back in, guys. Give me 1 second while I plug it back in. Just going to use a little screwdriver just to pop it down like that, and now it's back in, just like phlegm. And now the hard drive comes in just like that. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to grab my screws now, and I'm going to tighten them. Tighten the Phillips. Tighten the Phillips 00.
Oh no, I got the closed beta.
This one is the brand new 12 TB. It's a Western Digital. The cheapest one I can get for under 200 bucks. It's used. It's used. And a couple more right here.
I get 3-day early access though. So that means when people...
And while you pass out, I'm gonna go get something. I'll be right back.
That's nice.
And the screw here is a Phillips 00. These are all Phillips 00 bits. Gotta be careful with this screwdriver. I used to have a mat for this, but I lost it. And yeah. This is a Phillips 00 screwdriver.
You can get rust, right? Yeah. What's my system requirements? I need Xbox One.
And there you go, guys. That's how you replace a hard drive in a Apple time capsule. A1378 to a 12 terabyte. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to send this hard drive to the data recovery people in Bakersfield, California, to get the data off of it, and send me the flash drive. Y'all should go check them out. Data recovery, www.datarecovery.com, and you can file for a schedule for an appointment, wear a mask, and stay 6 feet apart. It's in Bakersfield, California. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and drop a like and a comment down below. I hope you have a safe weekend.